how to make a subscription website on Wix. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to Wix. If you don't have a Wix account, you can go to Wix Up or Wix Sign Up. You can create a Wix account using your email address and password, or you can just basically connect your Google account in order for you to create an account here easier. Now, once you have your account on Wix, you can now go back and this is what it looks like. These are my unpublished or not published sites. And if you want to create new one, you just have to click create new site right here. If you want to select and edit your site, for example, you have started designing a site and you want to continue, just tap on select and edit site. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new site. So what you're going to do here is tap on create new site. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. You have two options right here. You can try this Wix Studio, but this one is for advanced features. As a beginner, I strongly suggest to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Click this one. Now, here you can ask with AI to build up a good, let's just say, template or design for you, but it would take a lot of time. So as a beginner, I strongly suggest again to tap the second one, which is set up with our chat. So what type of website do you want to create? You have here online store, post, or whatsoever. So for the sake of this tutorial, since this one is subscription, I will be creating website. So here I will be creating or doing news and journalism website. So I have to search here. So since I can't find news and journalism, I can choose this news website, or let's just say they can look for news blog. Okay, so I can search this one right here. Continue and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is preparing your dashboard. And then what would you like to call to your website? So you can add the name of your website here. The name of my website is the Daily Pulse. Tap on continue. Now, what are your goals for this site? Of course, offer services, maybe promote a business and yourself, of course, share knowledge, build a company, and let's just say sell products, okay? And then you can tap on continue, but everything is up to you. Tap this one right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now choose the apps you'd like to add. For built-in already on your website, you can see the following. Okay, online store bookings and so on. Now, if you want to add a more application, you can go to the site. And since our tutorial is all about, subscription, how to make a subscription, of course, you have to look for pricing and plans. So sell subscriptions and membership, tap this one, click on continue. And then you are all set. Continue to dashboard, tap this one. Okay, so this is your dashboard, or this is my dashboard rather. As you can see, the daily pulse, but this one is an independent dashboard. So whatever you add here, for example, the payment method, whatever you set up here for your sales products, let's just say if you want to add store products right here or change the pricing and plans, which is our tutorial today, it will not affect your other sites right here. So that is why it is called independent dashboard. Now, in order for you to set up your blog, of course, you have to update your site type. If you have your domain, just paste it right here. If you don't have one, then you have to get one in order for your site to be more visible. You can now write your blog post, set up your payment methods. You have to follow this one right here. Add your first product, design your website, get found on Google. So you have to do all of these steps in order for you to build your news blog. But since our tutorial is how to make a subscription website here on Wix, then we will just go directly to design site to highlight everything. How would you like to design your website? Pick a template, generate a design. So with this one is okay, but it takes time. So as a beginner, again, I strongly suggest to pick a template. Click this one right here and then choose from any of their template. Of course, we have selected news blog as our website. Then you can see here best match for your template. You can choose from any of this here. If you upgrade your plan, then there are tons of templates that you can choose. But since we are choosing, or I'm just using rather a basic plan, so I can only have this. But don't worry, there's a lot of things you can do with this specific template right here. So you can choose from any of this. I'd rather choose this. Maybe I will be talking about stocks and markets. So I want to tap this one right here. So this is our site, and then it's now adding Wix store. So you have to wait for this one. So you will see this enhance your AI content. You can just basically generate a site text, but actually this one is optional. So you can tap on X. And here it is. Now, in order for you to see it fully, you can tap on this zoom to 100%. On the left side, you can see here features such as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and so on. And then here you can now change the name of your website. For example, in order for it to change, you just have to double click. And then as you can see, this is the name of my news blog, which is a daily pulse, markets and money. You can change the heading, you can change the fonts, everything here. But we will not go further for this because this is not really the main focus of our tutorial. Anyways, if you want to add more section, if you want to edit or add images, you can just double click this one. And then you can just basically change your images right here. And you can edit this by just double tapping each of this. And you can manage each of this section. So what are we going to do now is we're going to focus on how to make a subscription, like the pricing and plans. Now you have to go to pages and menu. And then this time you have to look for the plans and pricing. As you can see, it's not visible. So in order for you to make it visible, you just have to tap on this eye icon right here. And now it's visible to your site. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And you can just basically change the background if you want to. So you can tap on change background right here. Go to image. If you have your picture of your news blog website, like your own, you can just basically tap on upload media and then upload the picture from your computer. And if you don't have one, then you can also go to media from Wix and then select from any of this picture right here. So I'm going to choose. So here it is. I got this picture from Wix library. Now to manage this, of course, you need to simply, expand this one because it's too short. And this one right here. Now it's more visible. And in order for you to change the subscription right here, then all you have to do is tap this one, click manage plans. It will take you back to your dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, pricing plans grow your business by selling subscriptions and memberships, create plans, add a customized pricing, and so on. Tap on Get Started. And here it is, setup checklist. So create your first plan, then set up your payment methods, upgrade with a plan that lets you accept payments, but you need to upgrade your plan right here. Okay, so create a plan or create plan right here. So this one is for basic membership. So I have added here plan name, free plan, market basics, okay, free articles per month, and then more description. Then for main features, casual readers and new investors, you can add benefits like booking services. You can also tap on blog subscription, give access to post. Tap this one right here. And then for pricing options, you can see this a fee, offer this plan for free or free of charge. So let's just say if you tap this one right here, then you can just basically select at least for 1 month. And then after that, they need to upgrade their plan. Also, you can also choose this one-time payment. So for example, if they avail this for this amount right here, and then the length of plan will be 12 months. Okay, so that is out for free. And then charge setup. After that, everything is up to you. Settings, limit to 1 subscription per customer. Allow plan cancellation, yes. Let customer set a start date. You can toggle this one or off. Everything is up to you. Add policy, you can create add policy right here. Okay, for example, so I have added a policy right here, policy checkbox. And then once you're done, then tap on save and you have created your policy right here. You can edit that anytime. Collect additional info at checkout. You can create a form for that and customize a thank you page. You can edit this and then customize your thank you page for subscribing your plan. So tap on edit. So here is the sample thank you message. You can redirect customers to home or other page, but actually everything is okay here. So I don't need to tap from any of this. So tap on save. And then as you can see, this is what it looks like. So free plan, basic, 5 free articles per month, delayed, stock market summaries, and so on. And then you can now tap on select if you are a customer or client. Now tap on save to finish. But since I have tapped this one, so I need to click or add a post right here. But since I don't have yet, so I can just deselect this one, tap on save. So we have created a subscription plan right here. You can edit this anytime. You can create another plan for Pro. Let's just say this one is for Pro or Investor Edge. You can tap or add description right here. Same thing as we did earlier. And then once done, then you can now tap on save. Now, what does it looks like if we go to our design side? So let me finish this one first, everything here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like if you go to your design side. Okay, so once done, then you can X this and then we can now go to our site. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So we have our pricing plan right here. We have created a subscription to our website. And if you're a customer or client, all you have to do is tap on select and then pay for this specific amount right here in order for you to have access to this plan. So the first we have free plan market basic, pro plan investor edge, and then we have here premium plan a market insider. So you can now tap preview to see the result. This is what it looks like. And if you're a customer or client, just tap on select and it will take you directly to the payment method. And then that's it. That's it. So once again, you can now tap on publish. And basically, that's how easy it is to make a subscription website here on Wix. And if you want to go back and edit more, then you can tap on back to editor. If you want to see the view, if you are using mobile, you can tap this one right here. And this is what it looks like. You have to wait for that. Switch to mobile. So to set up your news blog, you just have to simply follow the rest of the steps right here. Since you're done with the design your site, you can now add your news right here, which is your product, also your payment method, and then you can write your first blog post, of course, and then add your SEO or domain, and then get found in Google. And that's how easy it is to make a subscription website in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.